जतना हेलाम सब दिनै annual day program kota rokni selairong tepaikya ge tabung bagi seng ready khalai tongo tabugo tei sapsang hangkai somoy nai tabuk so jotei ready nya ko so tabuk jotun khailajak hingke ang yang terrace sakao koekta shot nana phaimani yang sakan simi asing naidi chair rok bebak ready khaijak stage
Welcome all the Auxilians. All the best. Go, all the best. And all the very best.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you are here. Good. All the very best, everyone. Very good, sir.
All the best, sir.
Yeah, all the best to you.
All the best to you.
All the best, everyone.
All the best. Thank you.
All the very best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye, sir. Bye-bye. Success to Rojong Ginger. Bye-bye.
very best, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, kulungka.
Harmony and tranquility.
As the theme of 19th annual day of Auxilium Girls School is
Justice, peace and hope, the cry of humanity. Searching for answers, only you provide, 'cause you know just what we need before we
go as the evening rhythm starts to flow. Thank you, and once again, welcome all.
Cialaga, Father Vicky Gayang, Father Belixas Indi, Sajan Bu Hokiat, Assistant General Manager MPD Airport Agartala. I would like to convey my gratitude to each one of you once again for accepting our invitation and gracing this momentous event of this evening. Thank you.
এবং আমার প্রিয় ছাত্রী সবাইকে আমার অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা অভিনন্দন শুভ সন্ধ্যা আবার আমি প্রথমে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ এবং আমি নিজেও অভিভূত আপ্লুত
say to all the young ladies is be kind and compassionate to others. See, even a small act of kindness can bring a great change to our lives, to other lives also.
Guti guti
are shallow, your wisdom quite thin. In self-promotion, it's clear you aim to win. All this man know I'm the wisest of all. I rule the day. I claim this throne in every possible way. I know what's right, no need for your views. I will fight for my stance. I'll win, I'll refuse.
Please, spare me your nonsense. Your head's a vacant space. Oh, you think you're oh so clever, but you're a child disgrace. You think you're right, but you're nothing but a clown. You wear that ignorance like a tarnished crown. I stand by my thoughts. War is a testament to human failure. It is a failure to resolve conflicts through peace, through acceptance and understanding. War is never limited to the battlefield. It reverberates through every portion of our life.